Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, as you know, if you look down, we're getting pretty close to 500 subscribers, so you already know what to do. But we have some good news and bad news. Bad news, we got into like a little accident. Definitely my fault. I was rushing to class, had new speed bumps I didn't know about. If you didn't see my short that I posted a little while back, you can go check that out on the channel. But basically this happened. Now the good news is, let me show y'all, that the bumper actually just popped back in. You know, no real damage done. We got that fixed by ourselves. We just kind of pushed it back in, and thankfully the clips were not broken, so she's good. However, as you can see, I mean, other than the little scratch right there, the front splitter is completely gone. It got ripped off. I'll show it to you. I have it over here. So this is the old front splitter. Now that thing's kind of just been messed up ever since I got the car. It's super scratched, obviously, and I mean it pokes out like that much from the front bumper, so not a big deal. But the really great news is this just came in today. Got the foosball table as our little work stand, but the new front splitter that I got from Ikon Motorsports, pretty cheap, like 60-70 bucks, and it's gonna stick out way more than the factory spoiler. Now, one of the issues with installing this, since the original one did get ripped off and not just like unbolted or anything, I can show y'all one of the little issues we're gonna have is, look and see. So basically these holes, right, this is where the new splitter would go. But as you can see, they're kind of ripped off, right? Because the old one got ripped back when it hit that bump. So when we put the new one in, we're either gonna have to make new holes or have some special clamps that we might be able to use that just go over it all and then clamp down. I still don't think it's gonna be a huge deal. I think we're gonna get it figured out pretty quickly and it's gonna look great. So like I was saying, this new splitter has the exact same holes as the bumper to line up because this was made for 2013, 2014 Mustangs. So basically, we're gonna take this plastic piece, go over this part, and the bumper will be sitted as well. So that's all I was saying, we're gonna have to pry it apart a little bit to get it a little wider, then put it on and then slide a screw between each one. Another thing to mention, this got shipped in 3 separate parts. So that's like the middle section of it, and then these are the 2 side pieces right here and right here, and it came with its own hardware to connect the side pieces to the main part, just to throw that out there. Right here we realized that the clips most definitely were not gonna work. They're just way too small.
I would just come, get it where you want it, right through and through.
Yeah.
And go right through it.
Like on these, like on this side or whatever?
Yeah, like in the middle, like right there, right here, right here.
Yeah. Looks beautiful. Holes. Now everyone, I do want to say I am pretty excited about the final product. It came out really great, honestly. We actually didn't end up doing the original idea where I was going to use some clips to go over the bumper piece and the splitter piece, if that makes sense. We ended up just drilling new holes under the bumper and then new holes in the splitter itself to make everything fit, since the original holes did get ripped out. But I think y'all enjoy how it looks like I do. Let's take a look. we ended up using the normal hardware that just came with the front lip. It was like 6 screws we just used to go into those holes I mentioned that we made. Screwed them right in. It only took, you know, a couple of minutes, maybe an hour total for the whole thing. So yeah, great, really can't complain about it. And then all the other options were way more expensive. I'm talking like $300 or $400 for a piece of plastic that goes on the front of the car. And I'm sure with daily driving it like I do, it's gonna get damaged again. Just, it is what it is. I'm not gonna worry about it. But I thank you all for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like. I love you all. Make sure to make the right decisions every single day. Right choices, all that good stuff. But I'll see y'all next time.